Our eyes are our windows to the world, guiding us through both daily life and the workplace. In every profession, from factories to offices, clear vision is essential for safety and productivity. Imagine operating machinery or performing surgery with poor eyesight. The risks are enormous. Many workplace accidents are linked to uncorrected vision problems. A misjudged step, a misread sign, or neglecting eye protection can have serious consequences. Ensuring optimal vision for every worker isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. This is where occupational optometry comes in. It's not just about prescribing glasses, it's about matching visual abilities to job demands. Occupational optometry helps prevent injuries, reduce errors, and improve quality of work life. It's a proactive approach to workplace health and safety. We'll explore what occupational optometry is, why it matters, and how it's transforming workplaces. Whether you're an employer, worker, or healthcare professional, this topic is for you. Protecting vision at work is a shared responsibility. Let's begin this important conversation. Occupational optometry is a specialized branch of eye care focused on the link between vision and work. It goes beyond standard eye exams, analyzing the specific visual tasks and environments of each job. Think of it as customizing vision care for the workplace, not just handing out generic solutions. It assesses visual acuity, depth perception, color vision, peripheral awareness, and eye coordination, matching these to job demands. For example, a software developer needs to manage digital eye strain, while a farmer needs UV protection and clear distance vision. Each profession presents unique visual challenges. Occupational optometry ensures every worker's vision is fit for their specific role. It prevents eye strain, reduces injury risk, and boosts comfort and performance. Employers benefit from safer workplaces, fewer accidents, and higher productivity. Even the community gains when critical jobs are performed by people with optimal vision. Occupational optometry is a vital link in workplace and public safety. It's about making sure everyone can do their job safely and well. Occupational optometrists are vision guardians in the workplace. They conduct worksite assessments, analyzing lighting, hazards, and job-specific visual demands. They perform tailored vision screenings, focusing on the skills each job requires, like peripheral vision for drivers or depth perception for assembly workers. Education is key. They teach workers about risks, protective eyewear, and ergonomic adjustments. For employers, they advise on vision safety programs and compliance. They prescribe specialized lenses or protective gear, ensuring the right fit for each job. Their goal: bridge the gap between a worker's vision and their job's demands. The result: safer, more productive workplaces. Occupational optometrists use a 7-step process for workplace eye safety. First, they analyze the workplace, assessing lighting hazards and tasks. Next, they break down the visual requirements of each job, defining clear standards. Customized vision screenings follow testing for acuity, depth perception, color vision, and more. Those with issues get comprehensive exams and tailored solutions like prescription safety glasses or computer-specific lenses. Protective eyewear is provided, meeting safety standards for each hazard. Education and training ensure workers know how to use their eyewear and set up their workstations. Finally, regular follow-ups review effectiveness and make improvements. This systematic approach prevents injuries and keeps vision sharp on the job. It's not one size fits all. Every step is tailored to the workplace. The result: safer, healthier, and more efficient teams. Eye safety is a process, not a one-time fix. Every workplace has hidden dangers to our eyes. Digital eye strain is rampant among office workers, causing dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. Outdoor workers face glare and UV radiation, risking long-term damage like cataracts. Industrial settings bring flying debris, dust, and chemical splashes, any of which can cause permanent injury. Welders and foundry workers face intense radiation and heat, risking burns and arc eye. Even poor indoor lighting can create glare and discomfort. Recognizing these hazards is the first step to effective protection. Every job has its own risks. Awareness is key to prevention. The right protective eyewear is the frontline defense against workplace hazards. Safety glasses with impact-resistant lenses shield against flying debris. Goggles protect from chemical splashes and fine particles. Welders need helmets with filtered lenses to block harmful radiation. Ergonomics matter too, especially for screen users. Proper monitor placement, anti-glare filters, and the 20-20-20 rule help prevent digital eye strain. Adjusting lighting and taking regular breaks keeps eyes comfortable. Simple changes can make a big difference in eye health. Combine protection and ergonomics for the best results. Safe vision is smart vision. Every job has unique visual demands. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. A truck driver needs sharp distance vision and peripheral vision, plus glare resistance for safe driving. A surgeon relies on precise near vision and depth perception for delicate procedures. Electricians must distinguish wire colors accurately. Color vision is critical for safety. Graphic designers and software developers need visual stamina and protection from digital eye strain. Specialized glasses, lighting, and ergonomic setups can be tailored for each profession. Occupational optometry looks beyond the eye chart, focusing on real-world tasks. Custom solutions mean fewer errors, less fatigue, and safer work. The right vision care boosts both safety and performance. Assessing the job's visual needs is the first step. Then, match the solution to the task. That's how occupational optometry makes a difference. Every profession deserves vision care that fits. Real-world results show the power of occupational optometry. In a Pune factory, better lighting and prescription safety glasses cut eye injuries by 70% and boosted productivity. In a Gurugram BPO, workshops on ergonomics and computer glasses slashed eye strain complaints by half. Employees felt more comfortable, job satisfaction rose, and absenteeism dropped. These aren't just safety measures. They're smart business strategies. Investing in vision care leads to healthier, happier, and more productive teams. Targeted interventions transform workplaces. The benefits are clear: fewer injuries, better morale, and higher performance. Occupational optometry is a win-win for employers and employees. It's about more than compliance. It's about caring for people. Expert advice makes all the difference. Every workplace can benefit from a focus on vision. Prioritizing eye health at work is essential for safety, productivity, and well-being. As jobs become more visually demanding, occupational optometry is more important than ever. Eye care must be part of every workplace's health and safety culture. Optometrists, your expertise can prevent injuries and improve lives. Engage with businesses and advocate for vision safety. Employers, investing in vision care reduces accidents, boosts morale, and attracts top talent. A comprehensive vision program is a strategic advantage, not a cost. Workers, your vision is your most valuable tool. Don't ignore discomfort or hazards. Use protective eyewear and seek help if you notice problems. Everyone deserves a safe work environment, including eye protection. Let's work together, professionals, employers, and employees, to make clear, protected vision the standard. The future of work is bright. Let's have the vision to see it. Eye health is everyone's responsibility. Together we can build safer, healthier workplaces for all.
Click, clack, bullet. Click, click, bullet. Go!